Morning, everybody. Forgive all the outside noise. We've got a lot of construction going on. I'm going to be reviewing this amazing golden canary rain chain. This was like such a surprise to be able to get something like this, and I'm so excited. So this is what it is. It is basically assists with rain collection. You just insert the little plug into the drain hole. As you can see, I just removed a portion of my drain pipe, and you hang it up, and that is it. It has removable cups, so you can adjust it to any height that you want. As you can see, it's been raining just a little bit here, and I wish it was raining right now because it's just such a beautiful thing to watch the water come through. I'm probably going to be cutting it off right about here. I'm going to pull those last 3 off because I am actually going to be making a rain collection barrel. I will post a video on that when it is finished. Yeah, this thing is so beautiful and so amazing. If you have any questions or comments or concerns, please leave them in the comments. Have a great day.